As an AI language model, ChatGPT is designed to assist and provide information, but there may be some reasons why someone might choose not to use ChatGPT, including Number 1. Limited capabilities. While ChatGPT can provide valuable information and assistance, its abilities are limited by the information it has been trained on. Number 2. Lack of personal touch. As an AI language model, ChatGPT cannot provide the same level of personal interaction and empathy as a human. Some people may prefer to interact with another human being, especially when discussing sensitive. Number 3. Privacy concerns. Using an AI language model like ChatGPT requires sharing your data and information with the platform provider. While most platforms have policies, ultimately, whether or not to use ChatGPT depends on your individual needs and preferences. It may not be the right choice for everyone.